bring you another case of an air passenger who tested positive after he was tested soon after he landed. Now, he had boarded an Indigo flight from Bengaluru to Madurai, and soon after he landed and was taken into mandatory testing, he tested positive of COVID-19. Soon on the same day, he was taken to a quarantine facility in Madurai. These are the latest details we're picking up. We're also being told that he was actually an asymptomatic passenger, and he had boarded this flight from Bengaluru to Madurai. It was an Indigo flight, and he was taken into mandatory testing on the same day at a quarantine facility in Madurai. Shantashri, my colleague, is joining us live on the broadcast. Shantashri, give us more details of this particular person. He was asymptomatic, we are being told, and after he landed and was taken into mandatory testing, he tested positive.
Yes, definitely. This is actually the third case on board an Indigo flight that has come about. It is an Indigo 67214 which had flown from Bangalore to Madurai, and then at Madurai, when he was tested, then he was found to be positive. He has been taken for 14 days quarantine. But remember, since the domestic flight operations have started, there have been just 5 cases so far. One is the Air India flight to Gujarat, and another 2 flights, SpiceJet, which had gone to Ahmedabad, and also another one in Bangalore. So clearly we see that 5 cases so far has come post domestic flight operations who have tested positive and who have been quarantined. So while traveling is a risk right now, but yes, all the precautions are being taken continuously to minimize the human-to-human contact at airports as well as onboard airlines. But these people who are testing positive, the other people are being contact traced, and they are also being asked to quarantine themselves. Different states have different SOPs for quarantine, but in Delhi, if we speak, then there is no such provisions in place for getting for institutional quarantine or any other provisions. So home quarantine is suggested. So far, no cases have come in Delhi, but we believe that these are the only way to handle a domestic flight operations, and presumption that to take your precautions, and whenever contact tracing is taking place by officials, and random testing is also happening, and whoever is found positive, they are being asked to quarantine themselves. In Delhi, provisions of home quarantine is available. Yes, Suresha.
All right, Shantashri, thank you for those details. And of course, viewers.
Hi everyone, I am Aishwarya Kapoor. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.